What's up, YouTube? This is Jeff, and you're watching the NYC Corvette channel. And today, I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily shampoo the carpet in your car. Now, one of the first things you notice is that the seats are absent from the vehicle. Taking the seats out is a great idea, and for most modern automotive seats, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts at each corner of the seat, and depending on what kind of features you have, you'll have 1, 2, shouldn't have any more than 3 connectors to undo, and then the seat comes right out. But I find taking the seats out of the car to make this job much easier. Then also you can get down into areas that you could not get into with the seats in the car. The tools that we'll be using today are a rigid 5 horsepower 4-gallon portable wet dry vac. We'll be using a Hoover carpet and upholstery spot cleaner. We're going to be using carpet shampoo and a pair of nitrile gloves. These are all the things you'll need today. If your car has heavily soiled carpet, you may want to get a hand brush to agitate the carpet cleaner into the carpet a little more. One thing to note, here's a pro tip. What I did was I put a vacuum cleaner bag. I installed a vacuum cleaner bag into our wet dry vac along with a brand new filter. It's a good idea to get a bag to put into the vacuum cleaner, because what happens with the wet dry vac is that it blows the dust. When the dust comes in, it blows the dust right back out and just redistributes it through the air. The next step in this process involves this Hoover clean slate upholstery and carpet spot cleaner. And what we're going to do is what we've done. I've taken 2 caps full of the carpet shampoo and poured it into this half of tank full of hot water, which we got from inside the house. And we're going to place this back onto the machine, plug it in, and then we're going to have ourselves a cleaning party. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to squeeze this trigger, and that's going to apply the solution. And then we'll squeeze this trigger here, and that will suck everything that we put into the carpet out, along with the dirt and whatever else is trapped in the carpet. You don't want to wet the carpet too much, because the car will stay damp for a very long time, so be careful. Now, this unit also comes with a smaller edge tool that I'm going to use to get down in this area right here, as you can see. Okay, we have to refill our tank, but you can see here that there is muck in the carpet, and it's pulled it out pretty well. Okay, I took another pass at the carpet, and as you can see, we got even more murky, dark water. So I think we can call this carpet clean a success. Wow, this is really murky and dark. And just so you can see, this is what the carpets look like now. I'm going to turn the car on and put the heater on, put it on the foot part so that the floors can dry a bit because it's not 100 degrees out. It is best to do this when the weather is very hot. As you can see, cleaning the carpet is a very quick and easy process. Now we'll move on to the next step of this interior clean, which will be to clean the dashboard and the door panels and the center console and any other plastic trim that's inside the vehicle. And I'll link that description in the video or on the end card coming up. This has been Jeff of NYC Corvette channel, and I'll see you running the streets.